All right, here's what we're doing, you guys. We are introducing that iconic lick into the song My Girl. And the lick is a pentatonic scale, an ascending pentatonic scale. We're in the key of C. So it's... Let's do it together. I'm going to do it really slowly. I'm tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just a great way to learn the pentatonic scale with this great song. So my idea of putting it into the arrangement is to strum down on that C chord and then catch the pentatonic scale not at the C but at the D note. Ba, da, 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 then F, C. So in a way, we're adding a little chord melody to this instead of just doing single notes. So we're kind of fattening up the sound. So let's try it. I'm going to bring it in real close. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, strum. F, 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 C. F, 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 C. F, 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 C. What am I doing with my right hand? C. I'm using my little finger picking position here. So when the note lands on whatever string, that's the finger that's going to be doing it. Let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4, strum. F, strum. Strum the C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, strum. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, this is going to be so fun.